Hello chefs and welcome back to my kitchen. Today's recipe is very easy and very well known to many of you, but it's been requested, so here is how I make my sweet crepes, or crepes, depends on how you pronounce it. Start with 2 room temperature eggs, then add a 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 pack of vanilla powder. If you don't have vanilla powder, use 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then mix using a hand or electric mixer. Then add 1½ cups of sifted flour and 2½ cups of milk. The amount of milk and flour can slightly change depending on the type of flour you're using, so I'll show you the final consistency we're looking for, and then you can adjust the quantities accordingly. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 cup of oil, then mix. If you're using the hand whisk, make sure you run the mixture through a sieve to get rid of any lumps that can ruin your final result. This is the consistency we're looking for. Heavy whipping cream-like consistency that is thinner than the pancake batter. The pan we use for the crepes should be a non-stick pan. Also try to choose one that is not very heavy, because as you can see, once we put the mixture in the pan, we need to swirl it in a circular motion to distribute the mixture throughout the pan evenly. So if the pan is heavier, it will be uncomfortable if you're making several crepes. The temperature should be medium-high, and the amount of the mixture we put in the pan should not be too much. Otherwise, it will be too thick and it will be like a pancake. Play around with the amount you put in each pan, but for me, 1 ladle is more than enough. As you can see, once we put the mixture in the pan, the surface is shiny. So I wait until the surface is no longer shiny and the edges are golden brown. Then I use a spatula to release the edge. Then I flip it with my hands. When I flip it, I leave it less than 30 seconds on the other side. Don't overcook it, otherwise it will not be soft as it should be. Now the crepes are ready for filling. You can fill it with whatever you like. Here I'm using some Nutella, since it's my kid's favorite. I heated the Nutella in the microwave for 20 seconds to help it spread easier. Some ideas for filling would be adding strawberries or bananas to the Nutella, using lotus spread, peanut butter and jam, or my personal favorite, which is a cheesecake crepe. I use some cream cheese that I mix with sugar and heavy cream, then I top it with strawberries. I don't fill the crepes all the way, I only fill it halfway. Then I fold it in half and then fold it back into a triangle. I like to sprinkle some powdered sugar on top just to make it prettier, and then serve it with any types of fruit or berries. It will make a perfect breakfast, especially for special occasions. If you want to encourage me and to see more recipes like this, please like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to be notified with all the new uploads. Bon appétit, or as we say in Egypt, صحة وعافية.